Let's go get some lunch. Let's go. It's almost 2 o'clock now, so I'm gonna make a coffee and see if I can fit at least minimum 2 hours of work. And I'll bring it to 4 o'clock, and then maybe I'll take Gladys for a walk. Let's see what happens. I smell like food now, but oh well. Okay, it's time to do some work. It's 4:20. It's 4:20 now. Having a little rest with this little girl. Hey girl, what are you doing?
Hello, honey chicken with fried rice?
Yeah. Okay. What's poolside service? Like they come and ask you stuff? Like
QR codes.
on the P&O?
And they bring